Well, well, well. Look what we got here. That's the Winnerwell stove. Would you believe that 2 days ago there was 3 inches of snow out here? That's right, 3 inches of snow. There's a big blob of snow right there. Oh no, that ain't snow. That's bear. Yeah, I got my other 2 buddies up here on the porch with me too. There's Strawberry, and look at this big fool down here. That's what you call Peanut. Great Pyrenees. She's a real good dog. That one down there is too. Pyrenees, real good dog. Well, I figured it was time, being it was a nice day. 65 degrees out here today. Man, was it nice. I figured I'd break out the Winnerwell, because I'm gonna cook me up. There you go, some beef tips. Not for dinner, but for breakfast. I'm gonna cook them up in the old griddle here, and then they'll be ready tomorrow. When I get up, all I gotta do is heat them up, get them fresh eggs going, and we're gonna have us a good breakfast. Look at that. Yes, sir. They looking good. They, boy, it smell good already. You sure can't beat this Winnerwell stove. I done cooked a ton of food on top of this thing. I got an oven that goes, actually it's an old Coleman camp oven. I can sit it up on top here. I got an oven. And Winnerwell also makes an oven that they call a stovepipe oven. And it would go way about there. And then your pipe comes down through the top, and your heat kind of like wraps around. Suppose that's a good oven too, but I ain't got one. I got two. I got the Coleman oven, and I got another oven. I can't remember the name of that, but I've used both of them on here. Hey, ain't no problem. No problem at all. Yeah, you sure can't beat this thing. Look at that. Man, that meat looking good. And you know, the only way that I put spices on my steak, I put kosher coarse salt on both sides. I put garlic on there. And then I put a little bit of stuff they call farm dust. They got all kinds of crap in it. But man, you talking about good. You don't have to do anything else to your meat. Let that sit. This meat's been out on the counter for about 45 minutes. Took it out of the package. Went ahead and spiced her up. Put it on the plate. And here we are, out here cooking. Man, I tell you what, I wish I could put some smell in this video. maybe I'm glad I can't. I have a whole bunch of company coming over here trying to eat my breakfast up in the morning. Now, this breakfast ain't all just for me. It's for the woman, too. Gotta keep her happy. Lord knows I sure keep her unhappy sometimes. I get in more trouble than... I get in more trouble I know what to do with. Yep. Go up here to the top of this. See the smoke coming out. And you know, I'm gonna cook this steak up here. Just using sticks. I just went out and collected all the sticks in the backyard that fell down this winter. That's some stuff I done had up here all winter long. That's my other grill over there. That's a good grill too, as long as you're only cooking for 2 people. Yeah, if you get a chance to get you a Winnerwell, I think you'll be real happy with it. Look at that, man, that's about done with now. I get it flipped over here for a couple minutes. Damn, does that look good and does that smell good? Yeah, around here we don't use them newfangled pans. Got all that Teflon and who knows what else, all that cancer causing stuff. Around here we stick with the old school stuff. Yep, cast iron. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. I got a whole bunch of cast iron. Whole bunch of old cast iron. I got some cast iron about 100 and, well, I got one piece I know for a fact about 115 years old. Got some pieces that are 100 and, 60 and 80 years old. Use it all the time. Can't beat it. All right, folks. Well, I'm going to finish cooking up here. I just want to do a little video here. Damn. Man, I wish I could tell you how good it smells. I was thinking about maybe doing a video when I'll be cut it up in the morning with my breakfast and eggs. Yeah, we got fresh eggs around here too. Yeah, see over there? There 2 chicken houses right there. You probably can't see. I only see 2 or 3 chickens. There's about 30 chickens out there. You get about 30 eggs a day. Fresh eggs. All about. Hey, it's all about being self-sufficient. I don't know if you've been to the grocery store lately, but good grief, man. You walk in there with a $100 bill and walk out with a bag and a half. Ain't got nothing. It's something else. FJB, baby. FJB. He doing it to us. You know, I went to go fill my damn truck up today. $5.45 for diesel fuel. Good God Almighty. You believe that? I bought that truck back in 2001, and diesel fuel was about $1.35 in 2001. It's $5.45 this morning when I went up there to the gas station. I couldn't believe it. I'm like, good grief. I'm probably gonna have to get me some goats. You see all them fields I got out there? Got all kinds of fields out there. Guess what? I don't think the tractor gonna be out there cutting. Not as much as it was last year. Not for no $5.45. I'll tell you, I got a plan though. They got these things, got 4 legs. They call them goats. I'm probably gonna get me a whole bunch of goats. They take care of it. And then when I get tired of the goats, guess where they be at? Wait there. All right, folks, y'all have a good day. Hope your day going good as mine. And we'll catch up with you later.